In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an EIN mismatch e-file reject in Turbotax. So let's dive right into it. To start with, visit the official Turbotax website. Once you're there, your first step is to click on the Sign In button. This will allow you to access your account. Upon signing in, you'll find yourself on the Turbotax homepage. From here, navigate to the Federal section. This is crucial because it's where most of your tax-related actions will occur. Now move over to the Wages and Income section. This is important because it contains detailed information about your income, which is vital for fixing an EIN mismatch. Click on this section to expand it. Next, find the Job W-2 option. Your W-2 form is where the Employer Identification Number, or EIN, is initially entered. Click here to access your job-related tax details. You will now see an Add Edit button, which allows you to make changes to your W-2 information. Click this button, and it will bring you to a page where you can make necessary edits. Here, you should click on the Edit button next to your employer information. One of the key components on this page is Box B, which contains your Employer Identification Number or Federal ID. This number is critical because it can often be a source of errors leading to a mismatch rejection. Carefully review the EIN number displayed in Box B. It should match precisely with the EIN provided on your physical W-2 form from your employer. Double checking is crucial here because even a small typo can lead to an e-file rejection. If the number doesn't match what's on your W-2, you will need to update it with the correct number. Be sure to enter it accurately without any additional spaces or incorrect digits. Once you've verified or updated the EIN, save your changes. It's always a good practice to go through this process slowly and carefully, ensuring that everything aligns correctly. After saving, proceed to resubmit your e-file. With these adjustments, you should hopefully see the rejection resolved. Also, remember to check your email for any further updates from Turbotax, as sometimes additional information might be required. In case the problem persists or you receive another rejection notice, consider reaching out to Turbotax support for further assistance. Sometimes these issues require a bit more guidance, and the support team can provide insights specific to your situation. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be well equipped to fix any EIN mismatch, e-file rejection issues you encounter with Turbotax. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Happy filing!